this 2 minutes video today, I will be show you how to set up manual ISO in camera Canon DSLR. Let's go. I have camera EOS 200D Canon. On this strip manual, I show you how to set up ISO. We start as camera, we coming for the screen. When you have screen here, like you see, you touching this button here, the letter, put finger and you move your ISO, you see, because the ISO is here and ISO change. Another things how you can change this ISO, you're using this button here, the top, you move and your ISO changed 400, 800. Another things, I want to work and photography something. Where I find my ISO on screen is here. We have 1600, but like you see, I use this button and nothing happened. How change this ISO? We have here on the top camera, that's button ISO. We press this ISO and straight away on screen we have the ISO, and we now use this button and change as ISO or smaller, bigger, what do you want. That is easy setup here, ISO manual.